YouTube Premium and Music are going to get an annual subscription plans. Did they change? Discounted pricing? Look at this.
Yeah, it's discounted pricing.
For me, this feels like a deal, YouTube Music, because you get all the same stuff, all the same songs, plus you have the universal search. So even if a song is not in audio form, if it was ever uploaded in video, like a remix or something, it will then surface those results. I use YouTube Music.
Yeah. What do you think about the algorithm, though? Like the next song or like making a playlist?
Honestly, the best thing to do if you're trying to set a mood or something and you're trying to have a sequence where it would guess best what the next music should be, start your playlist inside of a video. Because the YouTube video algorithm is better than the YouTube music algorithm.
Yeah.
Because so many people discover and listen to music right on YouTube. Anyway, this is tweaking and a thing that you can control yourself. But the bonus here is you get no ads on YouTube.
Sure.
But it's important to note, I'll just remind you because I haven't talked about it in a while, we get paid. People like us on YouTube, we get paid via your premium subscription. So you won't see ads. We get to cut the ads right out of it. You get to watch this, and then we get a portion of your subscription fee. And so does YouTube. But we get a bigger portion, actually, of the subscription fee than we do of the ad fee, the ad rate. So that's important to know, too. So premium is helpful all the way around. Instead of YouTube Premium costing $11.99 a month, you pay a discounted price of $107 for the year of ad-free, offline, and background playback. Users pay up front and save $3 a month or $36 a year. Annual YouTube Music Premium is $89.99 for a savings of $250 a month. The promotional price ends Sunday, January 23rd. So anyway, you can check it out there what the savings are. It's like 23 or 35, depending how long you want to sign up for. That's cool. You're giving people a nice little deal, Will. Way to go.
It's a good deal.